Good morning, students. Dear students, in the last video, we have done the concept of coal very well, that how it is obtained and formed. In this video, we will discuss the same, that is, the formation of petroleum and natural gas, and from where do we obtain them. Let us discuss about petroleum first. We all know that petrol is used as a fuel in light automobiles such as motor vehicles, cars, scooters. In all these, we use petrol as a fuel. We all know that. Now, diesel is used in heavy automobiles such as buses, trucks, etc. Petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resource called petroleum. Now, what is the definitive meaning of petroleum? What is the meaning of this word? Petro stands for rock and oleum stands for oil. So it is a type of oil which is obtained from rocks. So I hope that you get an idea that from where the petroleum is obtained and how do it look like. Yes, it's an oily substance which is obtained from Earth's crust. Now, students, do you know that how petroleum is formed? Students, petroleum is formed from the remains of dead organisms that fell in the ocean floor and were buried under layers of thick sediments. Due to excessive heat and high pressure on the seabed, they slowly converted into the petroleum over millions of years. Means it took about millions of years for the petroleum to form. Then, with the help of oil wells, they are taken out from the Earth's crust. Now let us have a rough picture that how it is obtained. See, students, in this way, now you can see very well that this is the Earth's crust. These are the rocks. Under the rocks, this is where the water is there. This is where the natural gas or gaseous substances are present. In this area, the oil part is there, that is the petroleum. And like the wells, with the help of these wells, oils are taken out to the earth crust. Now this petroleum that we get, we can't use it as it is. So we have to firstly refine it. So the next is refining of petroleum. Now petroleum is a dark oily liquid. It is a complex mixture of many substances. Thus, it is processed in oil refiners to separate the useful components. It is done by fractional distillation. Now, what is in the fractional distillation? In what basis do we separate the components in this process? Now, in this, separation is on the basis of their different boiling points. See, student, petroleum is a liquid. So the components present in it are also liquid, and all the liquids have different boiling points. So all of them are separated on the basis of the difference in the boiling point. Heavy and light components are separated by heating. Various components of petroleum are as follows. Now there are various components. The first is LPG. LPG, we all know that it is liquefied petroleum gas. So it is a gas in liquid form. Like when we compress a gas, it gets liquefied. So that is a gas in liquid form, and it is a fuel for home and industries. Then the second is petrol. Petrol is a motor fuel that we use in our vehicles, and it is a solvent also for dry cleaning. Like we used to give our clothes for dry cleanings. So for that, people use petrol. Then the next is kerosene. Kerosene is fuel for the stoves, lamps, jet aircrafts, all these use kerosene. Then the next is diesel. Now, as discussed before, diesel is the fuel for, yes, heavy vehicles and generators also. You must have seen, if you people have electrical generators at your home, or you have gone to some marriage parties or somewhere, so there also generators are there. They all run on diesel. So the next is lubricating oil. Lubricating oil means greasy oil. It is also used for lubrication, of course. Then that is the paraffin wax. Paraffin wax, which is used to make candles, Vaseline, wax, etc. And the last is bitumen. Bitumen is an extract of course, we are doing the extraction of petroleum, the refining of petroleum, the different components which are obtained on refining of petroleum. And the last one is bitumen. It is used in paints and road surfacing. So students, these are the products of refining of petroleum. That petroleum, when we get it out of the earth's crust with the help of wells, it is refined in big containers, big refineries, and these products get separated at different temperatures depending on their boiling points. So students, this finishes with the today's video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe.